welcome back guys to my modding tutorials. Today we will be making a food. So in our net.tutorialmod.source folder, we are going to right click it, go under new, class, and then we're going to name this mod underscore food. And now in our mod underscore food class, we're going to do extends base mod, capital B, capital M, and that will come up red. We're going to hover our mouse over it, hit import base mod, and then our mod underscore food is going to come up red, and hit add unimplemented methods. And then we're just going to hit enter until that comes off the screen. Okay, so we're going to do public static final item, and then let's make a taco equals new item food, and then in these parentheses, the first one is going to be the data value, so we'll put 1000 just because that's not taken, and then after that we're going to put how many hearts it's going to heal of hunger, and then we'll do like 15. And then the next one is saturation. That's how long your hunger stays after eating it, and I'd say about 3. And then that's a float. We put a capital F after that, comma space, and then this is if wolves would like to eat it. And who doesn't like tacos? So I'm going to put true, and then just put a colon at the end, semicolon, and then you're going to hit import item food, and you're going to import item, and then we're just going to go down to public mod underscore food, brackets, space, bracket, and parentheses, space, bracket, and not parentheses, whatever these are. I just can't think of it right now. And then we're going to give ourselves some space, mod loader, capital M, capital L, dot add name, and then so basically this is how we are going to add the in-game name. But before we do that, we have to do dot set item name, and then we'll just name this taco. That's not going to be the in-game name, but for right now we have to import mod loader dot add name, and then taco, not in parentheses, comma, space, in parentheses, and then this is going to be the in-game name, and then just put a semicolon at the end. And then now we're going to do the texture. You're going to do taco dot icon index equals mod loader, capital M, capital L, dot add override, and then we're going to do in parentheses /GUI /items dot PNG, comma, space, and then in more parentheses /taco, because we're going to make a folder called taco, and then /taco dot PNG, and put a semicolon at the end, and we should be good. The texture, so we're just going to minimize that, and let's open up our MCP folder, temp, bin, Minecraft, item, and then we're going to want to we're going to want to go in the GUI, and then items.png, And to make a texture, you're just going to go to File, New, and you're going to want to name this Taco. Make it 16 pixels by 16 pixels. And you can use GIMP to do this. But what you're going to want to do is paste a texture. But I already do have a texture, so I'm just going to use that texture. So this I have taco.png. So there's my texture. Now we're going to go into our MCP folder. Eclipse. Minecraft. Bin. We're going to make a new folder and call it taco, because right here we said it's in a folder called taco, and then inside of that folder is taco.png, capital T, and we are going to go into there and drag in our taco.png. So now when we run Eclipse, it should have no errors. Okay. And you also do not have to do the creative tabs unless you want to stick in a tab other than food, because when you create food, the default tab is food. So, okay, my_food. And if we go into the foods tab, right here, foodstuffs, we should have a taco. And just to prove that works, so slash game mode 0, and we will make sure it's not unpeaceful. We'll run around, and okay, I will be back once I have some hunger taken away. Okay guys, welcome back. So I've taken some hunger out, and just so you can see that you can eat the food, just right click and you can eat. And if I run around for a few seconds, my hunger won't go down because we set our saturation to 3, which means that it will take about like 4 minutes before hunger will start coming back down again. Okay, so that's basically all for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.